Hi, I'm Jess.
I'm Keri.
Where That's Random. It's time for Crafts with Jess and Keri. Yay. And this is an Andrea.Nelson.art creation.
She's our favorite.
And she's using blobs. So there's a decent chance it won't be crabby. Yay.
I feel like you've set us up.
I'm going to do great.
All right. So she starts with a diagonal line.
Yeah.
We're making birds, by the way. We're making birds on a line. On canvas. No, on watercolor paper.
Yeah. There we go. I made the line.
We made a line. Yay, look at us.
And now we just want some blobs.
Some blobs. Like 6 or 7 blobs on there.
And we want them to be bigger on the left where the line is lower and smaller as we go to the right.
So this is like a perspective birds on a line.
Yeah. We've got dimension. Mm-hmm. We're going to have texture in a little bit. Right now we're adding some color. We're really bringing it right now.
You're welcome.
Yeah. We know that's why you tune in, fans, to learn. Okay, so you get the blob and then you do a little couple like upside down V kind of to be the tail.
Now that looks like a fish.
A little bit. It's okay.
Oh, gotta leave room for houses, right? Rooftop.
Yeah. Maybe I made my blob a little too big. It's fine. I'll just make my houses further away. Everything's fine.
Yes.
We've seen how our other blobs happened, and they still all turned out really cute. So trust the process.
Right.
Mine's like a midway rainbow broken in half kind of.
Mine's gonna be a rainbow.
I figured, but I didn't go in order of the rainbow. It just, I noticed the pattern here. Little tail. They're all kind of looking a little fishy.
Yep. Hers might look fishy.
Yeah, I
I
don't
just
remember.
didn't think about it when I was looking at it the first time.
I'm using rainbow colors in a new order.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Mine might be getting too small. It's okay. She used bigger paper than we are. So.
Oh yeah, a lot. That green is so light. It looks like a tree and not a bird. There we go.
That's a fuzzy blue guy.
My purple's kind of gray. It's
Aww.
kind of cute by accident.
Nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, we'll let it be. There we go. Oh,
Uh-oh.
you need a tail.
Some color
There, great. Cute. All right, and then I forgot my order after that.
Fairy blue. I want you to be purple.
Do we draw something next, or do we?
I think.
Ooh, that was fun. I like that.
I don't know if anything will show up on that though.
Sure.
Oh, tail.
Yeah.
Swooshy tail.
Oh, she made her tails longer.
Now we've got to do our roofs.
That's the next step.
Yeah. So that the birds look like they're on a old-fashioned line on a roof or above roofs.
Like a city.
Yeah. She made some roofs, peaks. And, oh, we don't have paper under this.
True.
I'm definitely.
It's like we've never crafted before.
If we were at my house, I wouldn't worry about it. But we're at Jessica's. I don't want to pan on her table and have to deal with it. There we go.
You say it like some violent things have happened.
No, not at all. But there are some particulars.
There are particulars. But usually I internalize
and there's
them.
There's nothing wrong with it. I feel it.
Yeah. But usually I keep it on the inside. Okay, does she switch the colors of her houses? I feel like maybe there's a little variety.
I'm just adding shades of gray, that's all.
Okay. Well, I got this black on
one
here.
roof that's a different shape.
You can do whatever you want. It's yours. It's a silo in the city.
I don't like it. I'm going to try to fix it. This is terrible.
I think I'm going to have this one look like an apartment. It's going to be just a rectangle with a flat top. It's our city. We can make it look however we want.
Oh, we can.
Oh, no. Got a little drippy there. And went on the neighbor's roof, but it's fine. Everything's fine. Here we go. Do we need to go all the way across, probably?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay, add a little red into one of them here. Like it's pretend brick or something. I'm not sure it turned out as intended, but it's good enough. Oh, yeah. We did things.
We did.
I don't think my what's it called when it like compares, you know, when you put them side by side, the perspective, like size-wise?
Yeah.
I don't think it makes sense. My birds are very large for the roofs, but maybe they're just, you know,
we got
far away.
Clouds now.
Oh, yeah. And she kind of created the illusion of clouds by having the blue going like around it in swirls. So it was like the clouds were in there. I don't remember how she did it though.
Me neither.
I'm going to need to watch her.
It's good that we're watching now how she did her roofs after we got done.
They're too late, sister.
We did our own style.
Looks like this today. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's just squiggles.
It really is. But guess who can't do squiggles worth a hoot? Us.
Was going to say me, but she already included me.
Yeah, I wanted to include you.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm.
I already hate it. It's not right at all.
How are your squiggles going?
Like you expected. Exactly the way you described. And I have it way too blue. Like it's aggressively blue. I thought I put a lot of water in there to like try and make that not a thing, but yours are better than mine. Dang it. Yeah.
That one fish looks like it's coming. This looks like it's coming out of the ocean.
Wait till you add a face.
It's really not a fish.
You should let that one look surprised. That'll be fun.
All right.
Oh no.
It's going to take a minute for some of my stuff to dry.
We have technology.
We do.
I'm still trying to squiggle. I got my tail.
Her up, girl. Squeal her up.
Why is that the hard part? You know, of all the things that we do, why is that what I struggle with the most? Well, maybe not the most, but a lot, very consistently struggle.
Same.
Oh, I didn't get my sky doesn't look like it continues into the housing area.
Mine definitely looks like a top half and a bottom half, but I'm afraid to try to blend it.
Yeah, I was trying to add some water to it.
Uh-huh.
It's not really doing a lot for me. It's fine. Everything's fine.
Fine.
It might be a storm blowing. We don't know. I hope these birds are cute enough to hide my sky struggle. Should I? Yeah.
I've got to dry my roof. This is a good roof. I like that one.
Thanks.
That's my favorite.
I got
roof.
one. 1 out of 6.
Mine are all smoggy. Smoggy roofs.
Might be why our skies look weird.
I'm afraid to do the details because her details are so cute. But give it a shot.
I mean, the building and the clouds didn't ruin it. Probably the details will. She actually made her clouds look like clouds with her details. Right. I don't even know how to make them go in there and look like anything.
I think you just add some. I mean, like.
Good enough. That part's wet, but I don't care.
Use is going away.
A little bit.
This one bird that I went a little ham on. He's a good color.
I'm going to draw my eyes because we only have one white marker.
Yeah, good idea.
And that way you can use it. Oh. Come on, white. There we go.
We've got it towards that one time.
It's kind of milky and I've got concerns about it. Oh, and his eyes just blobbed. Oh no, his eyes connected. I've got monster birds.
A lot of her eyes were connected.
Like a minion?
You just use a pin around them.
Yeah. Right? Something. I think that guy's winking. Well, it was supposed to be, but I was scared to press it again, that it was going to end up so giant. Yeah.
Okay, I'm scared of this pin.
Me too. I think it might be defective.
Oh gosh.
You see what I mean? I was being a chicken, but I wasn't being like overly chicken. Like it was a fair fear. Also, as I try to dry it, it's like migrating. Did I do something to you?
No,
okay.
It just ran. I don't know. There's no way to save that.
Yeah, same here. And then when I dried it, it ran some more. So really, the adventure continues is what I'm saying.
I'm going to try to see if I can dab it off.
Do you want to try to blow it in place with a hairdryer?
Nope. I'm getting rid of it. I'll figure it out later.
There's a bubble in his eye.
So we're going to have to solve our white marker need.
Hi fans, if you want to donate to our craft supplies, we need white markers and pins. My pin died last week, so I'm using my fat Sharpie, and it'll be fine probably. Or it probably won't be the reason that there's a problem. Maybe that's more accurate. You can't even see where I put the little white eyes on these over here in the back. So I'm just drawing circles where I think they were originally. Those eyes remind me of a Muppet, and I don't know why. But I'm amused by it.
I'm just layering it and trying to get them to look white without being too runny. And it's sort of working. It's like the 12th time I've gone over them. We'll see.
It's gonna look up
Dry.
because I made a little dot there.
There we go.
This bird looks like he's wearing glasses or boobs.
Cute. Did you do their feet yet?
No,
I don't
that'll
know
be
how to
orange.
do the feet. Oh, that's right.
But then you draw their little wings.
Did she draw with the orange first?
No, she did it after she did their eyes and their wings. I thought.
She's almost there.
And I also think I need to outline their whole body.
She does.
Oh, I forgot to do their beak. That's what I needed to do
orange
next.
Too.
Yeah. Oh, that M thing does work out really well, actually. She knows. This guy looks angry. I think he thinks he owns this. Everybody else is getting along nice, but not that bird. He's mad about something. It's funny how they're just little blobs and they all of a sudden get a personality.
This guy might be wearing glasses. We're going to have to decide on that in a minute.
That could be really cute. Since he looks angry already, I'm having him have a power move here. Like he's preaching or something.
He's definitely going to be wearing glasses. Look, it looks like he's blowing away. Could outline his body still.
Nice.
You cute guy.
I gave that guy Elvis hair.
Nice. How can little dots in eyes be so cute?
I know. Oh yeah, she
forgot
definitely had the beak and the feet. Dang it.
I forgot I had to add wings.
It's amazing what the outline can do though, like
Yes.
to kind of bring it to life. And then I need my wire. And then the roof. And she had textures on her rooftops.
Oh, I forgot about that.
I don't remember what they look like, if they were just lines or... And I'm going to try and make some of this look like a cloud. I feel like my clouds and my blue actually are not related. It's fine.
Did you do them all like that? Or did you have some roof variety?
I'm doing a roof variety. I don't remember. I only saw the one. I don't feel like my roof is going to be what makes it unbelievable.
Forgot to outline some of the clouds too.
And I didn't. I just drew clouds. They're
Yeah,
not really
they look
related.
cute though.
So that means just draw what you like.
I feel like my bird wings should be colored. But there's no way I can imitate those colors. Maybe they need to just be colored in more. I could do that.
Drinking my water aggressively loud. I was parched. I think they're pretty dang cute.
They are cute.
Little city birds, the springtime scene. Ah.
I want to see how she did the roof. I did those already. Is that all she did? Oh.
Yeah.
Awesome. Okay.
She had less rooftops than we did.
I'll leave that one blank because it's little. Okay. Oops. Drew a little thing, but that's okay. And
Clouds. Yeah.
boom. Ta-da! Oh, they are cute when they're all done.
Blob birds.
Blobber.
On a line. It's cute.
They are cute.
Nice.
You should do that
Yeah. Crafts.
with Jess and Keri.